The DJI Mini 3 Pro, the drone that millions of people are outside DJI headquarters saying, take my money, just release this drone already. It's been delayed again. So the heavily rumoured release date for this drone was meant to be April 28th. That got pushed back to May 10th. And now the latest leak we have is that it's going to be even longer than that before you can physically get it in your hands. So this conversation screenshot here from looks like to be in China, we've got this translated, so give you a brief understanding of what's going to be going on with the Mini 3 Pro over the next few weeks. Now it's important for people, you might be booking time off work to fly this drone, you might be going away with this drone, you want to have kind of an understanding of when you can get this. So what do we do? Well, this is what we've got so far. So tomorrow, which is May 5th at 2100 hours, there will be an official teaser from DJI officially teasing you about this drone. Now with all these rumours, we kind of know everything about it. We've got an official spec sheet which we'll cover in a minute. We also had that leak from Argos last week, so we kind of know everything about this. So it is going to happen, that's inevitable. But what about when you can physically get this? So from here it shows that the announcement and pre-order is going to be May 10th also at 2100 hours. Now I believe this is 2100 hours in China, so wherever you are in the world, just convert that to your actual time. But May 10th still for when you can pre-order this, when it's going to be officially announced, when you'll see the DJI advert. Now normally as soon as DJI show you that advert, you can go on DJI.com and you can order that drone and shipping starts straight away and you can receive it in your hands within the next couple of days. But the DJI Mini 3 from this leak here is to be shown that you can actually pre-order it on May 10th after that advert, but it's not going to start shipping until 7 days later on May 17th. When the shipping will start, so expect the drone maybe a few days after that. Hopefully it will be in other retailers also on May 17th, so you can go and buy it from there as well. But it's kind of another delay from what we hoped for. The 28th was heavily rumoured to be the official announcement. That got pushed back to the 10th. Now it's going to be announced on the 10th, but the shipping won't start until the 17th. So realistically, it's going to be the 20th onwards before you even start seeing that drone in people's hands. I think when people want something so much, and we've seen such hype over this DJI Mini 3 Pro, everybody wants this drone. The spec of it from the spec sheet looks fantastic as well. It got leaked heavily on Argos a week ago, and this confirmation spec sheet, which we've seen yesterday, confirms pretty much everything about it. The spec of this drone is going to be fantastic, isn't it? And that's why it's so popular with a price. Okay, so we've got to kind of either you go all in and buy this and you're committed, or you kind of sit back and wait for the reviews to see is it actually worth this much, especially if you've got a Mini 2. And that's something that I'm really looking forward to advising you guys on, whether it's worth the upgrade or not. And on this channel I can tell you honestly if it is going to be one way or the other. So looking forward to it. So let me know in the comments down below what these kind of delays mean to you. Is it frustrating or not? You know, we can't wait to get this in our hands. We can't wait to fly this. We just have to keep waiting a little bit longer, and hopefully there won't be any more delays. Take care guys, see you on the next one. Bye bye.